In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer field in Manychat. Whether you're new to using Manychat or just looking to enhance your chatbot's user management capabilities, this guide will walk you through the process in a matter of minutes. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser and navigate to manychat.com. Once there, simply log into your account. You should see your Manychat dashboard in front of you now. From this dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings tab. This is where you'll start to configure various options for your chatbot's operation, including adding new fields that will store additional information about your users. Next, look for the Fields section. Once you've found it, select User Fields. This is a centralized area for managing all the custom fields you've created for collecting user data. Here, you'll have the chance to view and edit any pre-existing fields. But for today, let's focus on adding something new. To insert a new field, look for the button that says Plus New User Field and click it. This action will open a new window, presenting several options you'll need to define. Start by giving your new field a name that clearly describes the type of data you'll be collecting. Something concise but self-explanatory is always best. Next, you'll choose the type of data this field will hold. You have several options like text, number, date, true, false, or even as complex as an array. Choose carefully because the type you select will dictate how the information is stored and retrieved later on. If you're unsure, think about how you plan to use this data to guide you. Additionally, there's an option to add a description. This is entirely optional, but can be very beneficial, especially if you'll be collaborating with others or need a reminder of the field's specific purpose in the future. It provides a bit of context and can help avoid confusion down the road. If you have already set up folders for organizing various fields, you can choose a specific folder to save your new field. This isn't mandatory, but it can be useful for keeping everything neat and structured, particularly if you create multiple fields for different purposes. Finally, once you're satisfied with your configurations, click the Create button. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new customer field. This new field will now appear in your list of user fields, ready to be populated with data and to enhance the user experience on your Manychat platform. That's all it takes to add a customer field in Manychat. Simple, right? Remember, these changes can have a significant impact on how you manage and interact with your users, so take advantage of this powerful feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.